What's up guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. We have a super awesome episode ready for you today. We're here with Trap Team, back again, checking out some JDM legends. This time, we're checking out the Spoon NSX-R. As Trap Team always does, they surprise us with some really sick JDM toys. I mean, would you just look at this thing? A midnight purple R34 GTR. I mean, I don't think it gets better than this. It's crazy. We got R34 heaven. Got a really minty NSX here. Another midnight purple R34, this one on factory wheels. Jeez.
But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more. Nick, today's not gonna suck for sure.
Not at all.
Look at that. NSX-R. I've seen videos of this car and it's just, wow, to see it in person is really special treat. And this is the actual Spoon race car, it's not a replica. So we'll get the guys to give us the full rundown and the full story. It's pretty cool. Let's check her out. Brad, what's up, my man?
Yeah,
what's going on?
TRC, welcome back.
Back again, dude.
Welcome again.
Back again for some JDM goodness.
JDM, you know we got lots of it.
Dude, this car, and last time when we came to play with the Smoky Nagata cars, every single person in the comments was like, "So what about that NSX in the background?"
Most of the comments. Yeah.
So we had to come. We had to come back.
Glad to show you over here. Well, this is it. Let me talk about it. It's a. Where can I start? As you see, it's a Honda NSX. It's a 2005 NA2 NSX-R GT. This is one of the cars that Spoon Sports modified for their GT Grand Prix series back in 2007, 2008. And this is actually the car that Spoon president Tatsuru Ichishima was driving in the 2008 Macau GT Grand Prix, and in qualifying, they actually put it into a wall. They had to repair most of this side of the car, and they did it overnight, and then the next day it still raced. It placed, I think, third in its class and 6th overall. Yeah, this is the one.
Dude, what a story. That's kind of cool.
There's quite the video about it. I mean, I remember seeing that on all of the forums back and before Facebook. And it was really quite something to see them repair this, and just overnight they were working on it, and this is what it's become. And it's a great car. It's been modified a little bit since that race. They've swapped out the C32 NA motor into the turbocharged C30 that's in there right now.
Oh, so this thing's turbocharged?
This one's turbocharged.
Wow,
yeah.
oh, dude, that's sick. I'm even more excited now.
Yeah, this one's, it's pretty cool.
All right, so let's check her out, man.
Well, you want to see the engine? I see you going over here.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and check out. So is this where you put your fancy luggage?
This is where I would like to put the luggage. But
when you go on road trips in this thing?
Unfortunately, yeah. I mean, it's not really too great for the road trips.
So we got the cooling system here.
Yeah.
Of course, you got to have the Spoon socks on the.
Basic, yeah. Just grab that spring.
Just pull that up. So you just do one of these guys right here.
Yeah, it's for you.
So look at that.
Free one. All right.
Nice. So where's the turbo on this thing? It's down there, huh?
Maybe this isn't it. Yeah, it's actually down there. You get a better view of it from the
bottom, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, that's sick. Gotta love matching paint scheme there. This thing is just so loud. It is so loud. Visually, I mean. I'm sure it's also loud. Got the fuel system. Dude, what a cool car, man. Nice. Dude, that's so badass. Let's take a look at the inside here. Not much to it.
Not much to it.
Not much to it. Straight race car, bro.
Roll cage,
So is that my? So there's my passenger seat for the ride along.
Yeah, passenger.
Just gonna go ahead and.
I don't even know. We can put a carpet the bucket down. I guess.
Well,
I don't have a harness.
Well,
for
we
you
just
either.
featured like a Rat Rod Model A that had a Honda swap, and he
nice.
just pulled the seat out, and I just sat on a towel.
There we go.
You know, so
Bring
we
a
could
towel.
probably do one of these things. All right, so there's a low and a high button.
Fuel pumps.
I was hoping that was boost because I'm like, let's go ahead and hit the high switch.
Oh no, I think it's already set to high.
Let's see if I fit it. Oh, just fit, man. Oh, I feel right at home in this thing. This thing is so sick. You're literally sitting on the ground. Like you're right here. We're like, has to be like 2 or 3 inches off the ground, 3 inches off the ground, and your ass is not much higher than that. It's like, wow, this thing is super special. You're just like, you're in it. It's like a little cockpit. Wow, man, this is super dope. Got like a little race pack there. I'm not sure what brand that is. Dude. All right, let's go ahead and flick the high boost button. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Daily driver, bro. Daily driver. Woo. Fired right up. This thing sounds so good. Wow. You can just barely hear that whistle from the turbo. So sick. So it smells like a little race fuel there, man.
Race car, race fuel. Doctor's orders.
Man, this thing is awesome. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and test how I'm gonna ride along in this car.
Video?
Yeah, man, I'm great.
Yeah, it's good. Actually, if we had a seat there, your head might hit the seat. Oh no, you sat over here.
I mean,
tall.
I'm good to go. Just
All right.
let's see here. Look, that's good to go. Yeah, you look great in there, man. Looks super comfy.
safe, right?
Yeah, perfect.
I get you a bungee cord if you want.
Strap me down with some rope. All right, so since the NSX doesn't have a passenger seat, Brett's gonna take this thing for a spin. He's gonna give you guys some info, and he's also gonna make a couple hits for you guys, so enjoy.
All right, talk to the camera, right? Let's see if you guys can even hear me once I get this engine running. All right, cool. So I'm gonna hit the power. I'm gonna hit OK on the Defi, fuel pumps. Engine starts right up. Okay, so 2005 NA2 NSX-R GT. This is modified by Spoon Sports. This is the car that participated in some of the Macau Grand Prix. And this is the one that Tatsuru Ichishima, founder and president of Spoon at the time, he was driving the car, and in the qualifying day, after pulling off the course, the car was crashed. This car was repaired overnight, pretty much the whole passenger side. I say passenger side, but there's no passenger side really. There's another side, there's a driver's side and an empty side. They repaired the whole car overnight, raced it the next day, got 6th overall and 3rd in its class, which is really impressive. So anyway, it's really hot. As you see, some of the other cars we've got have air conditioning. This one, definitely not. Got a bunch of Lexan windows. This one's a window that we dropped out. It's pretty hot in here, it's pretty warm. Not much going on in this interior except for the carbon fiber, white carbon fiber dash. And we're out here in the streets. it's pretty cool. It feels amazing. Like hitting the U-turn was amazing. If I get to hit an on-ramp, this thing's amazing. I'm probably never going to drive this car up to what it can handle, up to what it was built for.